Hello friends, welcome to BISP Solutions and myself Ashwin, and in our today's video I am going to show you what is saved search. Saved search is nothing that we are separating some rows from the record that satisfy our requirement. For example, there is a record and from that we want to separate those records having some certain criteria. Now let me show you how it works. In our previous videos, if you see, we have created a record that is the monthly visitor information. We have created a record in that we take the visitor name, the purpose of visit, and the educational level and marital status. Now if I want to separate those records, those who come for only internship purpose. Now look at this: internship 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, only 4 people come for internship purpose. Now I want to create a separate record for these. So let's go here, list, search, and saved search. Now we will create a new saved search. This is our search that we are going to save, new saved search. On what record we are going to perform the saved search? That is the monthly visitor information. Now those who come for only internship purpose, we will apply here filter on purpose of visit, right? Purpose of visit, that is the purpose of visit here. Now here starts with, look at this, these are some criteria: contains, is not empty. It is just like a query. Now starts with intern, remaining it will take automatically. Now see here, starts with intern, and then I will save it. Now see what we will get. Now go to the saved searches here. See here, it is automatically custom monthly visitors information search. Now if we click on view, only 4 records: David, John, Mac, and Tom. Look at this. Internship, this is 1, John. Internship 2, Mac. Internship 3, David. And Mac. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 4. These are the 4 records that we received in this. Now we can apply here the scheduling also. That means every night uh, how many people come for internship, how many people come for investment. We can separate these records in saved search, and we can apply some operations also. So let's take a quick review. Just we go to the list, the search and saved search, and then we press here new. Here we will select the criteria, the record name first. Look at this, monthly visitor information, and then we will put here the criteria. First we will select the column. Now let's take, suppose I want to add with education level and I want to see those who are postgraduate, only that I want to see. Set here is postgraduate. Yes. Now I will save it, and now again go to the saved search here. Here search 2. Now see here, these are the postgraduates: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now look at this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So in this way we create saved searches. That means to keep a separate record, certain records that fulfill our criteria. So this is how we create the saved search, and we can, these saved searches are used for performing some operations also, that we will learn in our next video. So in this video, this was all about how to create a saved search. And if you have any doubt regarding this, you can write down in the comment box. I will create a new video on that. So guys, thanks for your time. Thank you very much. And please subscribe my videos.